Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 6. We are now dealing with the textbook Honeysuckle. The topic is chapter number 7, Fair Play, and part 3. I repeat, class 6 English video session, Honeysuckle textbook, chapter number 7, Fair Play, part number 3. We know that Alagu Chowdhury and Juman Sheikh have now become enemies, and Juman wants to take revenge on Alagu because when he was in the punch, you know what decision was taken. He has to give back the property to his auntie or give her a monthly pension, which was not liked by Juman. Now let's see what happened in part 3. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Alagu Chowdhury found himself in a tight spot. What is the meaning of tight spot? Difficult position. Difficult position, situation, condition. One of his fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. Okay, children, let's see the condition. Alagu Chowdhury found himself in a difficult position. One of his fine pairs of bullock died. Okay, without one we can't work it. So he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time because the price is more. He did not have money. So within a month I will give you the money. It so happened the bullock died within the month. Okay. Several months after the bullock's death, Alagu reminded Sahu the money he hadn't paid. Sahu got annoyed. What is the meaning of annoyed? Angry. I can't pay you money for the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock, use it for a month, then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock. Okay, so what should he do? Alagu decided to refer the case to Panchayat. For the second time in a few months, the preparations for holding a Panchayat was made. And both the parties started meeting the people, seeking their support. See here, children. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Alagu stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of the law. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision. Okay, let's see what happened. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Alagu's heart sang and he turned pale. Why? He knows very well that Alagu is going to, Juman is going to speak in favor of Sahu and he has to forget all the benefits. But what could he do? The moment Juman became the head punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of the office. Okay, what is right, what is wrong, he understood. Could he, seated in a high place, have his revenge now? Can he have his revenge now? He thought and thought, he thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come and in a way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Both Alagu and Sahu stated their cases, their side, what is correct, what do they feel it is right, they were telling. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. So both the sides they were considered. In our opinion, that Sahu should pay Alagu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered no disability or disease. How was the bullock? If it is sick, it was not good, disability, then okay. But here it was healthy. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Alagu cannot be blamed for it. Alagu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, victory to the Panchayat, this is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch. Okay, so here is how the right think. Had the decision been taken against is different. So what has to be spoken? If the money is taken now, the case would not have come. It was the goodness of Alagu which made him say that, okay, you don't need to pay. Only after a month you give me the money. But the animal died. It doesn't mean that it is his fault. Okay, so he has to pay the money, and so now he was so happy when Alagu got the decision from Juman in a right manner. He jumped and shouted and said, "What? Victory to the Panchayat." What did he say? Victory to the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch. God lives in the voice of the punch. Soon after, Jiman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a punch. A punch has no friend or enemy. No friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth of friendship or enmity." So before the justice, there should be no this one, like there is no friendship, there is no enmity. It's only what is right and what is wrong. So he was very happy. He understood. Juman said he was able to understand what happened when he was becoming a head punch. He has to be the tell the right thing. Okay, Alagu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. So, what all misunderstanding they had, everything went away during that hug and the cry. This story was written by Prem Chand. Okay, he is a very famous writer, story writer. This story was written by him. Okay, now children, let's see. Working with the text, you have sentences 1 and 2. You have to combine where for this one, Juman and Alagu were best friends, that in the absence of one, the other took care of his family. That is how 1 and 3. You have to write like that, okay? And you have to match and write. Now see question number B. Who says this to whom and why? So how you have to write, I will tell you. My wife knows best how to run the family. Okay. Who said to whom? Okay. So Juman said these words to whom? To the auntie. Why? When the aunt wanted her share of money back or her monthly installment, he said all these words. Okay. That is how you have to write. First question, who spoke these words? Next, to whom? The next sentence, why? Okay, children, 3 lines. Then second question, you have to refer to the victory to the panchayat. See the last one. This is just a Alugu when after the to what? To whom? To Juman. Because Sahu was the case was the Sahu's the bullock case. Bullock cart sold Sahu came to the panchayat and who delivered the right decision. Juman was the head punch and he delivered the right justice. So he said victory to panchayat and this is justice. Okay, children? Yes. Now you have to see answer the following questions. You have few questions. Then the situation changed to what is referred to. Go to the paragraph number 2. Okay, so what happened? What is the misunderstanding? They started. The Juman hated and he wanted to take revenge. All these things you remember. When Juman had realized that she was not welcome in this house, what arrangement did she say? She wanted a separate kitchen or she wanted a monthly allowance from Juman. Yes. Can you write all the questions? There are totally 10 questions. All are good. Okay. Then working with the language. Look after, swallow, make it up, keep mum, go into, ease one's conscience, as Illa could have it, tight spot, take chances, my heart sings. The best way to avoid unnecessary argument is to remain silent. What is the word here? Keep mum. Okay. Unfortunately, the train I was catching was cancelled. What is it? Unfortunately, the train I was cancelled. Means what? As illa would have been. Okay. Like that you have to find out the word. Now you also have some more the phrases: set up, set aside, set down, set out, sit in. What is the right thing? Set up. Start the beginner and seem to like continue. Okay, set aside. Okay, so set down, set in. What are the things right way? Why don't you dash your ideas in paper? Why don't you? You have to use these words here. Put it in the. Why don't you put up? Put down, set down your ideas. SETD, write or making a record. So these five words are coming in these things and you have to match them and write. Okay. So do you like meet people? Yes, I do like always, but not on some close friends though. Kindly write it in the form. Do you like people? How do you like? Yes, no. Okay, so these are the ways. This is to only enrich your um, vocabulary. Okay, yes, liquid, solid, hard, soft, old, new, wet, dry, open, shut, blunt, sharp, forget, remember. Okay, children, so you can write all those things and complete the lesson before we come to the next class. Okay, thank you, children.